Hey there, BaitBucks viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and tricks on how to make money online. Today, I'm going to show you how to become a social media manager and earn money from home. You probably know what social media is, right? It's where you go to check out the latest memes, videos, and trends. But did you know that you can also make money from social media? Yes, you can. As a social media manager, you help businesses and influencers grow their online presence and reach their goals. You create engaging content for their social media accounts, interact with their followers, and run ads and campaigns. Sounds awesome, right? Well, it is. And the best part is, you can do it from anywhere in the world, as long as you have a computer and an internet connection. Plus, you can set your own schedule and rates, and work with clients that match your interests and values. So, how do you become a social media manager? Well, it's not as hard as you might think. You just need to follow these 4 steps. Step 1. Learn the skills. The first step is to learn the skills you need to become a successful social media manager. These include creativity, communication, organization, analytics, and marketing. You can learn these skills by taking online courses or certifications, watching YouTube videos, or reading blogs and books. Some of the best resources to learn these skills are Hootsuite Academy, Udemy, and YouTube. Step 2. Build your portfolio. The second step is to build your portfolio of work that showcases your skills and abilities as a social media manager. Your portfolio is like your resume. It helps you attract potential clients and prove your value. To build your portfolio, you can create your own social media accounts on different platforms that reflect your personal brand or niche. For example, if you're interested in travel or photography or fitness or whatever else you're passionate about, then you can use these accounts as samples of your work and show your clients how you can create content, grow followers, and engage with your audience. You can also offer your services for free or at a low cost to friends, family, or local businesses that need help with their social media. This way, you can gain experience, testimonials, and referrals that you can use to boost your portfolio and credibility. Step 3. Find clients. The third step is to find clients that need your services as a social media manager. There are many ways to find clients online, such as using online job boards like FlexJobs, Indeed, or Upwork, using social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, using email marketing tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Aweber, or using referrals and word of mouth from your existing or previous clients, your friends, family, or colleagues, or other social media managers or freelancers. Step 4. Earn money. The fourth step is to earn money from your services as a social media manager. How much money you can earn depends on many factors, such as your experience and skills, your niche and industry, your location and market, and the number of clients and projects you have. According to ZipRecruiter, the average salary for a social media manager in the US is $50,000 per year. Of course, this can vary depending on the factors mentioned above. You can charge more if you have more experience and skills, if you work in a specific and in-demand niche or industry, or if you work in a favorable location and market. And there you have it. The complete guide on how to become a social media manager and earn money from home. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me what you think. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel BaitBucks and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.